My name's Starlena. I'm a chartered building surveyor. I work at XL London as a project manager on the construction side. So as a building surveyor, you have a sort of an overarching knowledge of construction. You would understand the way a building is put together. You would understand how to diagnose issues with a building. You would understand the legislation around construction and design. And you would also have quite a big knowledge of health and safety and legislation. Actually graduated with a real estate management degree, so my career began in facilities management, and then I realised I'd like to understand the technicalities behind construction, so moved to a building consultancy, and then that's where the path of the building surveyor started, I guess, and then found a real niche in project management in terms of what I enjoyed. My advice would be to really understand the studying that will be needed, and I think you need to be quite resilient. A book that has positively shaped my life, probably the biography of Malcolm X. I think it just really hammered home how to overcome, I guess, the system, and I think it just translated out into my career quite well. First and foremost, I would make sure it's quite casual, because there's sometimes the formalities make things more complicated than they need to be. I would make sure that the decision makers are a diverse representation of the people, and I'd really encourage work and play, that balance. It is what it is. That keeps me going. Like, it just means don't sweat the small stuff.